Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to download and install Ollama. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google Chrome and go to this website ollama.com. After going to this website, go here. Okay, let's sign up. Go here to this button, download. After going to this download, if you have Windows, click this button, download Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Okay, let's download it. Fine, downloading is begin. Okay, fine, the downloading is finished. Okay, this is my Ollama. Let's make this more right here. Double click this Ollama setup, hit install, and the installation is begin. The installation of the Ollama is done. This is the interface of our program. Okay, before we use this model, we have to go here to Chrome and port sign in and create an account right here. You can continue with Google. Choose any account as you want and connect it with Ollama. Okay, as you can see, it's fine. Now do the same thing to connect it with your desktop. Go ahead to my settings. This takes some time, like this, and click this sign in and connect. Okay, fine guys, this is all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial.